welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle Chanel. If this is your first time here, and I am a new YouTuber, so I really wanted to come here and just talk about the fact that like I got some PR packages and how much it means to me. I've always wanted to receive packages and stuff like that, and especially about, you know, products that I really believe in. And so I got a PR package from, it was more so like a thank you gift. It's from NutraBlast. So they sent me this package. I did my 2019 favorites video. I talked about their boric acid. It's called Boric Life, and it's meant for, of course, you know, it supports the pH balance. It just helps, you know, cure and maintain a healthy pH. They sent me a full bottle of those. It comes with 30 capsules. They gave me the suppositories. These are the applicators. So you get 15 of these. And then they also gave me something new that I really enjoy. And I wanted to wait until I tried out everything they gave me to really get on here and talk about it. So, and I have. And I love this company. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is a product, all their products I truly believe in. So this is called the Intimate Oil Blend. It's a mist, and you know about most of like the feminine hygiene sprays, they're not necessarily healthy for you, but this one is. It has aloe vera and tea tree oil. So I don't spray a whole bunch. I just spray a little bit on my hand and rub it on there, and it keeps me nice and fresh. So, you know, think about that. You know, if you need any type of feminine hygiene spray, I go the healthier route, because that's what I do. I always felt like using like Summer's Eve, no shade to them, but I felt like I was using the spray, but it wasn't necessarily healthy for me. I felt like I shouldn't have been putting it down there. So anyway, right now, since of course we are going through this whole coronavirus things, and it's really important that, you know, you build up your immune system. And right now, I've been using their Feminine Balance Complex Detox and Cleanse with a probiotic and aloe vera. One of the ingredients in these pills is oregano, and oregano helps with the immune system. So basically it has 11 potent ingredients, and on their website they do list all of the ingredients that are in the pills, and it'll give you a breakdown of which herb or which ingredient does for the body. So it supports a healthy intestinal flora, and it helps your immune system. So I've been doubling up on these, okay? Also, they gave me this cup right here, and this isn't like a regular cup. I thought it was just a regular little cup, you know, a little to-go cup, but it actually keeps your drinks cool. So I think I've talked about this in another video. I pour me up a bottle of water, put some ice in it, and if I didn't drink all my water like at night, I'll wake up in the morning and it's still cold. So this is it. A lot of people ask me about, like, you know, my hair growth and things like that or whatever, you know. I feel like these pills, I've been taking their gummies, and they're good too. It's just, I have the strawberry flavor, and it is enhanced with coconut oil. So I'm just like, well, I know it's gotta be good for me, because the only thing I really put in my hair is coconut oil. So I'm like, okay. So yeah, I've been rocking with these. I had stopped taking them for a little bit because I had just got a wax under my arms, and, you know, the Brazilian wax, and I was like, ain't no way I'm gonna be taking these pills, but I'm back on them. So thank you so much, NutraBlast. I appreciate this feminine care box, and I'm gonna keep on using these products. I also meant to mention that they included pH test strips into the package, and that's very necessary because many of us don't know our pH levels. So when I test my pH level, I was like, oh, let me hurry up and take these now. So that was very necessary. So it says, hi Elle, the fact that you took your time to make a video review of our product is so flattering. We are so grateful for your support of the NutraBlast brand. We're in love with the idea of helping people with their whole body health and sexual wellness, and we love that you are too. We really couldn't imagine doing this without you. We are blushing, and it says we love you. This is so cute. I love it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you again, NutraBlast. I appreciate it so much. This is like my first package ever sent to me, and it means a lot. I'll never forget it. So moving on to my next PR package. It's from Candies Lashes, a good friend of mine. She has her own lash line, and she gave me, you know, a nice package. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really appreciative of the package that she gave me. These are the chocolate blues lashes. So if you like dramatic lashes, go with these for sure. She also gave me these green apple lashes. So I love the packaging. I will say that she gave out these little spoolies, like the, you know, when you purchase them, you can get the spoolie and a lash applicator. This case has a tend to like kind of like, you know, bend up the tips of the lashes, so you can just brush out the tips of your lashes with the spoolie. So yeah, and I love lashes with spaces. So these were really pretty, and I just really, you know, I'm grateful for anything that's given to me. I just appreciate it. This is her card, so make sure that you go check out her lash line. I will be linking everything in the description box. So yeah, this is only the beginning. I can't wait to, you know, be coming out here and showing y'all more stuff that people send me. I'm gonna get to that point where I'm gonna have a PO box, and I'm gonna be getting like a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna be promoting stuff that I really like. And so yeah, so I just want to share that with y'all, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour me up a glass of wine and continue the rest of my quarantine and chill. You know, I'm chilling by myself, but that's okay as long as I have me a glass of wine, okay? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my videos and my channels. You know, you ain't got nothing else to do, go ahead and binge watch, you know, just check me out, and I'll see y'all in the next video.